This is like a computer stand and all kinds of parts in here. A glove? I have no idea. These are the feet. Like screws. So it's all an easy assembly. These are casters, just packaging. It looks like it's going to be fairly easy to put it together. It's just a stand. Shows you all the parts here. So it should be, it's all numbered as well, 3, 4, 1, 2. So it's just a matter of putting it all together. These intertwine with each other here. So it should be an easy install. First step is to install the side rails. So 1 into 2, and you can need 4 of these small little screws and an Allen wrench. There's a number in the bag, number 1 and number 2. 2 sets for 2 side rails. We're going to be using 4 small little screws to attach the 2 side rails here, plus the Allen wrench. Here's the 2 side rails, number 1 and number 2. Remove the plastic and attach the 2 rails together. This is where the screw holes are located, and we're going to put them together. Then we'll put the screws in and tighten things up. So hook them together. Just slides easily in. That's one side of the rail. Install our screws to hold the 2 rails, the 2 side rails together. Speed things up here, we'll put the 2 small screws in and then use the Allen wrench to tighten things up. Two sets of shelves here, so 3 and 4, and we use the small screws to attach them together. The numbers are actually on the bag instead of on the actual shelf itself. Put the shelves together, and then we'll be using the small bolts to hold the shelves in place. The 2 halves in place, flip it over, and there's where the screws go. Small screws to hold the shelves together. So 2 sets of shelves. Lines up pretty easy. Sometimes you have to adjust to get the screws started, and we're using the small screws here, and we'll tighten up using the Allen wrench. Use the Allen wrench to tighten the screws. Now we're going to attach the shelves to the side rails, and there's a top and the bottom of this, and just screws on the side where the bolts go. Now you're going to use the longer bolts here when you attach the side rails to the shelving. We're going to use the longer bolts here to attach the side rails to the shelving, and you just want to put the bolts in loose. You don't want to tighten them all up with the Allen wrench. Put all the shelves in loose and then tighten things up after. Attaching the other side rail to the shelf, and you want to put all 8 bolts in and just loose, and then tighten everything at once you get all the 8 bolts in. Adding the second shelf in and using the longer bolts. Adding the last 2 bolts to hold the shelf in place. And once we get all the bolts in, we're going to tighten it up with the Allen wrench. All 8 bolts are in now, and we're going to tighten things up with the Allen wrench. Package includes 4 casters, or you can just use the feet if you want. You don't want the casters. And it does come out 2 extra screws in case you lose one of the screws there, a small one and a bit larger one. There's a small wrench to attach the casters to tighten them up. So we're going to use the casters here. I threaded the casters in, just line it up and thread it in. And then you just finally use the wrench to tighten the casters. The casters do have 2 locking mechanisms on 2 of the rollers here. You can lock it in place. The stand is nice and sturdy, and you can see here I've got the keyboard, the monitor, the tower, and even the printer on this. And it moves very easily. The casters make it so easy to move, moves very easily. This computer stand was an easy install. There are good instructions. So we had leftover feet, a couple extra screws provided, an Allen wrench, and a wrench to tighten the casters on. I don't know why the glove was included. Maybe somebody left their glove in there in the box. But I ordered another set, so we're going to find out if that is included in the package or not. So please subscribe to my channel. I'm up to 9,034. Hit me that 10,000 subscriber mark. Help me reach that mark. Doesn't cost you a cent and helps grow my channel. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Have a great one, people. Ordered a second computer stand. Let's see if this glove is actually part of the packaging here. So this computer stand is easy to put together. The instructions are nice and clear, and it didn't take long to put it together. All the parts and even extra screws provided. So we'll see if this actually has the glove in it, and it does. It does have a glove. I don't know why they include it, but it is the glove included with the package. So the first one was a mistake. There's a glove. Now I have a pair of gloves. They're small gloves, but they still fit. My hands are fairly big, so they fit my hands here. They're like a cotton glove. So thumbs up there, the extra pair of gloves there with a computer stand. I even looked in the instruction, the part list. It's not included in the part list, so take care, people.